is the 12 pairs of the nerves. So, functions of the cranial nerves. Functions of cranial nerves. So there is a 12 pairs of nerve. We know that. First one is, listen carefully everyone. First one is olfactory nerve. This olfactory nerve is origin. Where it is originated? The olfactory nerve is originated in the olfactory lobe region. So nothing but olfactory area. It is nothing but olfactory area. Nothing but nostril region. Nothing but nostril region. These are goes to what is that? Olfactory lobes. So these are origin from the nostril region, in the nose region, origin from the nose, and goes to origin. Next one, type and function. Origin and goes to olfactory lobe. Goes to olfactory lobe. What is that? It is a sensory organ, yes or no? It is a sensory organ. It is a sensory nerve. So what is the function? What is the olfactory lobe? What is the function of the olfactory lobe? It is a determination of the smell. Okay, the function is a determination of the smell. Clear? One function is complete. Olfactory lobes are origin from the nostril region, goes to olfactory lobe. It is sensory nerve. It is determination. The function is determination of the smell. That is not one of the function. Clear? Second one is, what is that? Optical lobe, optical nerves. So these are origin in retina. The retina region, retina of eye. So goes to what is that? Optical lobe of the central nervous system. Optical lobe. It is also one of the sensory nerve. What is the function? It is useful. Optical lobes are useful for visible vision. What is the function? Is vision. Very important. What is the function? Is vision. Third one. What is the oculomotor nerves. Is a third nerve. It is a, what is that? This nerve is known as a motor nerve. It is one of the motor nerve. So the oculomotor nerves are origin from midbrain. Very important. In the midbrain of the, what is that? Cerebral peduncles. Already we have discussed cerebral peduncles. Origin from the third and eighth nerves. Midbrain of cerebral peduncles. So these are useful for these are goes to optical region of the iris, ciliary iris. So what is the function of the oculomotor nerves? Oculomotor nerves are which nerves? Motor nerves. So what is the movement? What is the importance? These are useful for the movement of the eye. Movement of eyes. Clear? The fourth one is T for, what is the pathetic nerve? What is the pathetic nerve? So these are origin from the medulla region, medulla oblongata, the origin from the medulla oblongata region of the brain. So what is the function? The patentic, it is goes to accumulator, patentic, okay. This also goes to optic region, optical region. Third, fourth, it is also motor nerve for the movement of the eye. The motor nerve movement for the eye. The fifth one, what is that? Trigeminal nerve, very very important. Trigeminal nerve. So tri means 3. Tri means how many? 3 nerves are there. So what are the first one? The trigeminal nerve is a, what is the pharyngeal nerve? Maxillary nerve and a mandibular nerve. Pharyngeal, maxillary and mandibular nerve. Very very important word is the mandibular nerve. The mandibular nerve is, mandibules are, there's a mandibular nerve is called as a doctor nerve. So why? Because if you are remove of the any teeth, so the effects of the, what is that, eye, so that nerve is called as a mandibular nerve. That nerve is called as a, mandibular nerve is called as a doctor nerve. Mandibular nerve is called as a doctor nerve. Doctor nerve. So the pharyngeal nerve, these are, so next one, fifth one is a mixed nerve. Which nerve? Mixed nerve. Clear? So these are origin from the medulla oblongata. Clear? So these are reaches into which one? Medullary region, sorry, mandibular, nothing but jaws, activation, nothing but mandibulas, jaws and pharynx and salivary gland. It goes to, these are goes to mandibules, salivary glands and what is the mandibules and salivary glands. What is the function of this trigeminal? Tri means 3, geminal means opening. Tri means 3 openings are there in buccal cavity, that is called trigeminal opening. Clear? The very detailed information. So these are function, what is the function? These are useful for the movement of the jaws, nothing but for the mastication and the stimulation of the salivary glands for the secretion of saliva. For the stimulation of salivary gland, for the secretion of saliva, and the next one is for the mastication of the food. Not the mastication of the, nothing but these are give you a particular movement of the jaws for movement, nothing but mastication. Clear? Sixth one. Sorry, A for abduens nerve. This nerve is origin from the medulla oblongata. This origin from the medulla oblongata. Very important. So which one? Sixth one. Yes, the sixth one is known as a motor nerve. This is a motor nerve. So it is actioning on what is that? These are goes to eye. What is that? Eye muscle. Which muscle? Eye. Oblique muscle. Goes to the oblique muscle of the eye for the movement of the eyes. It is also useful for the movement. So like what I am saying, starts with cranium and end with cranium. So the cranium containing what are they? Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, jaws, eyes. So these are completely controlled by the cranial nerves.
Raghu sir, time up sir.
Time up, madam. Ayipenda?
Avunu sir.
Okay, thank you. So this is a movement of eyes. The movement of the eyes. The seventh one is abduens nerve. Seventh one is a facial nerve. Facial nerve. This facial nerve also originated from the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. It is also is eye. The medulla oblongata. Seventh one is medulla oblongata. It is a mixed nerve. It is a mixed nerve. What is the function? Facial nerve from the facial expressions. Facial expressions and the movement of the facial muscle, movement of the facial muscles. So these are goes to the facial region. Seventh one. Next one, the eighth one is abundance nerve, facial nerve. Next one, auditory nerve. This auditory nerve is origin. This auditory nerve is origin from. The auditory is origin from the what is the conchils of the ear. Conchils. So what is the goes to ear? What is that goes to CNS? Sir. Goes to ears. What is that? Auditory region. So this is one of the sensory nerve for the hearing. For the hearing of the sounds. Here, ninth one. The ninth nerve. If the ninth nerve is a glossopharyngeal nerve. The glossopharyngeal nerve is a mix. Glossopharyngeal nerve is a mixed nerve. It is a mixed nerve. So the glossopharyngeal, it is a mixed nerve. It is origin from the medulla oblongata. Origin from the medulla oblongata and goes to what is that? Goes to medulla. What is the pharyngeal region? For the stimulation of the salivary glands. Next one, 10th one is vagus nerve. Vagus nerve is a mixed nerve. It is originated from the medulla oblongata. What is that? It reaches into the visceral parts of the body. Visceral parts. It is one of the mixed nerve. Which one? Vagus nerve is 10th nerve. It is one of the mixed nerve. The sensory function is a mixed nerve for the movement of the visceral organ. Visceral organ. The 11th one. The 11th nerve is what is the spinal? So what is the spinal accessory nerve? 11th one is a spinal accessory nerve. These nerves are origin from the medulla oblongata. Clear? Medulla oblongata. So it goes to eye region. And what is the function? Movement of the eye. So the 12th one. The 12th one is, what is the 12th one? Is a hypoglossal nerve. So this is one of the which nerve? The motor nerve. The hypoglossal nerve is originated from the medulla oblongata. Okay, it reaches into the what is that pharynx? What is the buccal cavity region? The below of the tongue. Below of the tongue. It is one of the motor nerve. Which one? Hypoglossal nerve is one of the motor nerve. It is reaches into the buccal cavity for the movement of tongue. So this is the complete detailed information about the cranial nerves. Thank you.